GoodVibes is, on paper, an LGBT youth group that's based in the city centre of Swansea. But I also think it's a lot more than that. GoodVibes is a place for young people to be themselves, to be free, to gain an even bigger community and to learn about themselves, the culture around being LGBT+, and the history that comes along with that.
Everyone understands each other here. It's more of a family than just a youth group. It's just a safe and healthy place to be. Everyone's positive.
GoodVibes really gave me the confidence to sort of come out, as well as gave me the confidence to be able to speak up for other people. It's also given me lots of opportunities, such as taking on the role of a peer mentor, working to create trans awareness training.
Basically, you can come and be who you are. There's no judgment, and I found people like me, so yeah, there's loads of different support and stuff here for people if they need it.